Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing a source that suits your goal: live photo for subtle motion or a short MP4 for richer animation. Make sure your device supports live wallpapers. Android uses apps, iPhone uses live photo conversion. Once chosen, trim the clip to 3/8 seconds so it loops smoothly, and convert frame rate to 30 FPS if necessary. You'll use a simple video editor and a converter app. This reduces file size and prevents stutter, which keeps the wallpaper responsive and battery-friendly. Once your trimmed clip loops, you edit to ensure seamless endpoints. Use a one-frame crossfade or match motion at start and finish to hide jumps. Make sure to resize the canvas to your device resolution, 16:9, or the phone's native ratio, and compress aggressively. Lower bitrate or use H. 264 to save battery. Then convert the file into the platform format: live photo for iPhone or a compatible wallpaper package for Android, so the system treats it as wallpaper rather than a running app. You now apply the converted file as wallpaper through Settings or the Wallpaper app, enabling motion or preview options so the effect activates. Make sure to test lock and home screens. Observe for stutter, incorrect scaling, or rapid battery drain. If issues appear, re-export with lower bitrate, adjust resolution or shorten duration, and make sure the Wallpaper app has permission to run in background. One key troubleshooting tip: if it won't install, verify codec compatibility and that the file is under size limits. Then retry conversion.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.